Changing the language in a Paramount Plus app is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to adjust the language settings to your preference. Step 1. Open the Paramount Plus app. Launch the Paramount Plus app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Settings. Look for the settings icon, usually represented by gear or 3 horizontal lines. Tap on it to enter the settings menu. Step 3. Select language options. In the settings menu, find the option labeled Language or Language Preferences. This section allows you to view and change the available language settings. Step 4. Choose your preferred language. Browse through the list of available languages. Tap on the language you wish to switch to and confirm your selection if prompted. Step 5. Restart the app. To ensure the changes take effect, close the app completely and then reopen it. Your content should now display in the selected language. By following these steps, you can easily change the language in the Paramount Plus app. Enjoy your viewing experience in your preferred language.